Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll see some important anatomy practice questions for the CPC exam. Many of you are asking whether the CPC exam pattern has changed for 2025. The CPC exam pattern has not changed. It consists of 100 multiple choice questions. The time allotted is 4 hours. Let us start with the first question for today. From where does the aorta originate? Option A, right ventricle. Option B, left auricle. Option C, right auricle. Option D, left ventricle. The right answer is option D, left ventricle. If you get confused in the CPC exam, you can refer to the diagrams which are present in the anatomical illustrations. Aorta is the largest artery in the body. The aorta begins at the top of the left ventricle. The heart pumps blood from the left ventricle into the aorta through the aortic valve. Okay? Next question. Which muscle is primarily responsible for respiration? Option A, diaphragm. Option B, pectoralis major. Option C, latissimus dorsi. Option D, rectus abdominis. So which among these is the right answer? The right answer is option A, diaphragm. Next question. Which structure closes the internal nares during swallowing of food bolus? Option A, uvula. Option B, tongue. Option C, palate. Option D, larynx. And the right answer is option A, uvula. During swallowing, the uvula and soft palate move upwards to close off the nasal passage, preventing food from entering the nasal cavity. This action ensures that the food bolus is directed towards the esophagus. A patient presents with the fractured tibia. Where is this bone located? Option A, upper arm. Option B, forearm. Option C, thigh. Option D, lower leg. The correct answer is option D, lower leg, because the tibia is located in the lower leg. Next question. What is the function of small intestine? Option A, absorbs nutrients. Option B, stores bile. Option C, filter blood. Option D, produce insulin. The correct answer is option A, absorb nutrients. The small intestine is responsible for absorbing nutrients from the digested food. Next question. During a procedure, the surgeon repairs a tear in the rotator cuff. What part of the body is involved? Option A, knee. Option B, shoulder. Option C, hip. Option D, elbow. Can you think of the right answer? The right answer is option B, shoulder. The rotator cuff is a group of muscles and tendons surrounding the shoulder joint. So the correct answer will be shoulder. Next question. A patient with history of CVA, cerebrovascular accident, is experiencing hemiplegia. Which part of the body is affected? The correct answer is option A. Hemiplegia is a condition that results in paralysis on one side of the body. This condition often occurs due to damage to the brain, such as from the cerebrovascular accident, commonly known as a stroke. Next question. Which of these is an accessory organ to digestion? Option A, stomach. Option B, small intestine. Option C, gallbladder. Option D, esophagus. The correct answer is option C, gallbladder. Gallbladder is an accessory organ to digestion that stores and concentrates bile produced by the liver. It releases bile into the small intestine to aid in digestion of fats. The stomach, small intestine, esophagus are all primary organs involved directly in the digestive process. Gallbladder is an accessory organ. Next question. How many pairs of spinal nerve are found in human? The correct answer is option B, 31. Humans have 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Next question. The aorta distributes what type of blood? Option A, oxygenated. Option B, deoxygenated. Option C, mixed blood. Option D, cannot be determined. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, oxygenated blood. The aorta distributes oxygenated blood to all parts of body through the systemic circulation. That's it for today. All these were important questions from the anatomy section. If you want to study more anatomy questions, you can check the playlist Anatomy Questions and Answers CPC Exam Prep. The link will also be mentioned in the description. Thanks for watching.